Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about niche scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So basically here we can see that so there are two matrix visuals and two slices. So here the requirement is very simple, like so in my previous videos also I have explained like based on the selected date I want to display the month to date. Okay, so here also same logic, but so I want to display all the months within a year. For example, if I select 2001, in 2001 based on the day number selection, for example, if I select 5 means I need to display so 5 days for each month to date. Now you can see, so I'm trying to display so from July 1st to so 6 days for the month to date. Okay, so likewise I'm trying to display for each month. Now you can see July, August, September, October, November, December. We can select anything. For example, I'm selecting 2002. Now you can see 2002. Again, you can change, everything is dynamic. Now I'm selecting so day number 10. Now you can see. So it's showing so 10 days. Again, if I select 15 means, so we can see each month wise 15 days. So basically here I given so some one day extra. That's why you can see that we can change it by I think greater than less than equal something, but anyway it's working fine, there's no problem. So it's giving month to date for in entire year in 2002, like January to December. So we'll try to see the logic that is getting the expected output. Go to demo measures, so test visual. So try to zoom in so that we can see clearly. So here I declared a couple of variables, like first one is I'm trying to get the value that is selecting in the year slicer, and in the second variable I'm trying to capture the day number. So in the third variable I'm trying to find the minimum day year, and again in the fourth variable I'm trying to pass all these variables into this filter section. So based on that it's returning the expected output. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So now going forward I'll try to so do the complex scenarios, business scenarios, so that it helps. Okay, so if you have any questions, queries, so you can drop email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.